Good news, everyone! Today I'm going to show you a new use for cooking oil. A fifth of Britons are using cooking oil to achieve the perfect suntan. A fifth? Whoa. 20% of Britons are cooking themselves like rotisserie chicken. The United Kingdom has 63 million people. That's more than 12 million people dousing themselves in cooking oil, giving the proper meaning to the classic saying, "You look good enough to eat." I wonder if they use condiments for a proper tan. You want to stand out and have a little flavor on the beach? No ketchup and mustard for me. I'm more of a salsa man. So there are 313 million visits to the English seaside annually. Once there, 53% of them will sunbathe. That's 165 million visits, and a fifth of those are from the people we talked about before. That's about 33 million times cooking oil is used as sunscreen. Let's say these people use 2 tablespoons, 1 spoon for the upper half and 1 spoon for the lower half. That's 30 milliliters times 33 million. And roughly 1 million liters of cooking oil is used per year in England to cook humans. Using cooking oil is the same as going out without any sun protection at all, or any clothing, or hats. It's a very worrying trend. Was Hannibal Lecter into frying things? No. He was probably more into gourmet meals. He would eat your liver with a nice Chianti. Britain needs a KFC version of Hannibal Lecter to truly appreciate the 12 million walking barbecues out there. The poll found that a third of Britons don't bother with sunscreen at all. And they say that like it's a bad thing. You just said the others are using cooking oil as sunscreen. Isn't that worst? You know how that poll went, right? "Sir, do you use sunscreen?" Yes I do. "Excellent. Which brand?" "Sunflower usually, but the missus wants me to use palm oil. Apparently they use it as McDonald's, so it must be good." Time to look at some tan lines. There are 2 types of people in this world. The people that will never get a tan, they just get burned. Those people are like Snow White and Batman. But those people would look weird with a suntan anyway, so don't worry about them. And then there are the people that do get a tan and burn less frequently. For those people, the skin produces melanin that goes on top of the cells in an effort to protect the nucleus and the DNA information from getting damaged. The skin also increases the thickness of the protective layer of dead skin called the stratum corneum. I know most people consider that burned dead skin quite sexy. Sadly, the tan is temporary because the melanin grows up and out with your skin as it sheds. So, what type are you? Are you the vampire type or the orange type? You know what, maybe I've been a bit harsh with the oils. Let's have a look at some oils that can be used as sunscreen. Look at that. That's a pretty high protection factor. Some of them are used in cooking, so you can call them cooking oils. I mean, soybean oil is pretty common in Chinese cooking, and olive oil is in many dishes, from salads to pizza. And since olive oil is available in most supermarkets, a fifth of Britons might be getting the protection they need. Good job, Britain! Let's ignore the fact the protection factor is rather low here, but better than nothing. And now that I've been for and against cooking oils, I think I can stop. Oh, one more thing, to set the record straight. The oil used at McDonald's is a blend of sunflower and rapeseed oil. The Q&A part of the McDonald's site is quite interesting. I did not know how they cooked their eggs. Have a great day ahead, everyone. Bye-bye.